All right. So a lot of people think that, hey, I'm in an at-will state. They can terminate me for whatever reason, and there's nothing I can do. That's not necessarily true. There's a lot of reasons why they can't terminate you, even though you're at will. But what I'm going to focus on in this video is if you're a government employee, because I've had people that have come to me that have asked that question who were government employees that were terminated. And if you're a government employee, typically you have a liberty interest or property interest in your job, meaning they can't terminate you without due process of law, meaning there needs to be some kind of uh, judicial, quasi judicial process before terminating you for cause. So, for example, if your employer comes to you and says, "Hey, we're terminating you," they have to give you a pre-termination notice, and then you have the right, typically, to review evidence and to dispute the reason for the termination. And then after they decide to terminate you, you also are allowed a full-on hearing where you're able to call witnesses and dispute the basis for the termination. And so, yes, if you're a government employee, typically you have a lot of rights compared to a private employee that's at will. So make sure you know that when you get terminated.